Hello, everybody. My name is Jose Manuel Alzate. I'm 23 years old and I'm a race car driver. At this moment, I'm driving with Nico Racing Team and now with Duravi.
My name is Juan Diego Alzate Riatiga. I have been driving since I was 5 years old in go-karts.
And I have been racing with my brother all my life. I help him, he helps me. It's been really, really nice.
It's like a connection with the car and the adrenaline that you feel almost like one with the car.
I heard that it was like kind of like an additive that it helps the friction. I was like, okay, it sounds nice, but inside I was like another product.
Pusimos en el carro, me dijeron que las temperaturas del carro iban a bajar pues unos 5 grados, 10 grados, lo que yo nunca personalmente había visto. Y después se comprobó. Después estuvimos mirando todos los datos. Efectivamente bajaron temperaturas, aumentamos velocidad en recta, bajamos motor, miramos todas las piezas, todo intacto, fricción cero. Entonces nos empezó a deslumbrar la mente y decir, wow, Duravi sí sirve.
The temperatures were lower, the pressures were really like on the top, where they were really good. Also, when you get out of the car, you feel the heat, and now you get out of the car and the car is like normal if it was just started up.
You feel it different. You feel it like more power, like the car wants to go faster, and you need to get used to that power.
In the race week, we had the chance to try the car, and that day I tried the car and completely different. In the race, the car was really, really amazing.
Lo que me impresionó fue haber llegado a este otro piloto colombiano teniendo un motor inferior al que él tiene, ¿sí? Y haciéndole competencia y haciéndole sobrepasos y haciéndole la carrera más difícil sin nosotros, o bueno, sin que yo me esforzara tanto. Are like in 2/10 difference. So 1 second to 2/10 is amazing.
I had an experience in a sprint race in night. The oil pressure, we have it in the dash and it shows like red lights. I'm telling you that the 20 minutes of the sprint race, the oil pressure was showing me like, hey, careful. But inside me, I told myself, I'm not gonna stop. I blow the engine, but I think Duravi saved our lives that night.